Senate Bill 1555. Imagine this. A town has a dangerous railroad crossing where school buses, parents, and ambulances keep getting stuck waiting on trains. The town finally has a chance to build an overpass, but to get the money, it has to put up part of the cost and hand control of the project over to the state. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 1555 creates a state grant program to help local governments pay for railroad grade separation projects, like overpasses and underpasses. The stated goal is to improve safety and reduce traffic delays. What it actually does? It gives cities and counties a new way to seek funding for dangerous crossings, but only if they can come up with at least 10% of the cost from non-state sources. This means better funded communities can compete more easily, while smaller places may struggle to qualify. It also means TXDOT takes over contracting and project supervision, while local governments lose direct control over how the work gets done. Who benefits? Cities and counties with money and staff to put grant applications together. Engineering and construction firms that already work with TXDOT. Railroads that benefit from fewer delays and safer crossings. State officials who gain more control over project delivery. Who pays the price? Small towns and rural communities that may not be able to afford the required match. Local governments that lose control over contractor selection and project management. Communities that may get pushed behind larger, better connected regions. Why it matters. This bill addresses a real safety problem, but it also shifts power away from local communities and toward the state. When funding depends on who can raise matching dollars and work through a centralized state process, the places with the greatest danger are not always the places most likely to win. That can leave everyday Texans in smaller communities waiting longer for the same safety fixes. Bottom line, Senate Bill 1555 tries to improve rail crossing safety, but it gives the state more control and could leave smaller communities behind.